Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss D part of chapter number 9, that is the turning point, in which we are going to discuss the question answers, that is, answer the following questions in brief. So let's get started with part D. Now, question number 1 says, what annoyed Mrs. Mehta when she returned home after a weekend? Describe her reaction. Answer to question number 1. Mrs. Mehta was annoyed seeing her pots broken when she came home after a weekend. She moaned and grumbled, but nothing came of it. Moving on to question number 2. What happened in Mr. Sani's balcony one afternoon? Answer number 2. Mr. Sani's pet dog Sherry was tied on the balcony. The naughty boys threw firecrackers near it, frightening the dog and causing anxiety and trouble to Mr. Sani, who was concerned about his poor dog. Moving on to question number 3. Describe in brief what happened when Swapan and Deep were hiding in a corner of the staircase. Answer to this is, when the boys were hiding, they saw a monkey right behind them, glaring and looking ready to pounce on them. It snarled, frightening them. Next is question number 4. Write a character sketch of Ramaiah and give instances from the story to substantiate your answer. Answer number 4 is, Ramaiah was an old lady who lived alone in a flat on the 4th floor. Her only son lived in New Zealand. She looked after herself. She was a brave and a generous lady. She saved the naughty boys from the monkey even though they had troubled her. She even gave them nice things to eat. Now next is the turn of question number 5. What changes do you notice in Swapan and Deep at the end of the story? Answer to this is, Swapan and Deep not only stopped being mean and mischievous, they also became kind and polite. So these were the 5 question and answers that we were supposed to answer in brief. So I hope you all must have understood. Just go through them once again, write it in your notebooks neatly and learn it thoroughly. So till then, stay safe and have a great day ahead.